love about our new house is I love how much space there is because we can run around and play tag.
I love the cupboard because there's so much snacks in there. I love my room. I love my couch.
Well, I'm Alina.
I'm Eric.
We actually are proud parents of 5 kids, 2 boys and 3 girls, and they're all under 10. This is our first home. So we previously used to live in Markham, and then we actually decided to make a move out to Kitchener. Nothing was matching to our needs. Like, of course, we loved the homes we've seen, but we didn't get the price.
We took a trip up here and we've seen maybe about 2 or 3 homes, and Activa was on the list, and that was actually our 3rd or 4th stop.
Our last stop, basically.
It was our last stop. And we walked into the sales center, and that was it. It was a wrap from there.
They were able to be real with us, and that's what we needed. We didn't really need anything more than that because we needed the guidance, and which we got back in return. We dealt with John Hiller from the sales center, and then we went over to the design center, which was amazing as soon as we walked in. And just to see all the different demos that they had set up, it just made our excitement even grow bigger because we couldn't believe that we were actually purchasing a home. After we basically finished at the design studio, we were able to come do our PDI.
PDI, so we met Tammy.
Tammy Hubert, and she held our hand, literally.
Yeah.
Like, she held my hand because I was pregnant, like 6 months now.
Yeah.
But she took us through everything, and she was just as excited as we were.
Seeing our home, walking into our home for the first time, it was flawless. We were happy with everything.
We like the open concept. I like it personally because I have 2 pairs of eyes and I have 5 kids. So I need to make sure I see each and every one of them and what they're doing and what's going on and who's hitting who and who's fighting who. But I like the open concept idea. It really helps me out a lot. And we like the residential area where we have more confidence with our kids going outside to play, and they're safe, and there's parks, and there's trails, and there's just open areas where they can run free. And
it spoke family all over it, and we have a large family, we believe in family, and we strive for family. So being part of the Activa family is key. I'm telling people, come out to Kitchener, come try Activa. Just walk into the sales center. That's all you need to do. Walk into the sales center, and I think it would be a wrap from there.